Question number 21. Okay. The Feynman diagram shows a possible decay of a K minus meson. K minus is here, S and U bar is here. These are two quarks, U and U bar are the other two quarks, D and U bar are the other quarks. Okay. Which particle is represented by the wavy line? What is represented by the wavy line? So how do we solve this problem? So what you do is, when there is an S here and there is an U bar, D, U here, so this is a weak interaction, right? Whenever there is a weak interaction, what does it tell you? Whenever the S is not conserved, okay, on the left hand side and that's right hand side, that means this interaction is a weak interaction. Weak interaction. So whenever we have a weak interaction, now let us look at the options here. Gluon. What is a gluon? Gluon is a mediator particle which plays a role only between quarks. Between quarks. Okay, that's where it plays, and this happens as a strong nuclear interaction. Strong nuclear interaction. So therefore, this is definitely incorrect. Incorrect. Z0. What is Z0? Z0 is nothing but your weak interaction. This will be a particle. This can be a particle in a weak interaction. Okay. Now let us see. I need to explore this. What is photon? Photon is a mediator particle which plays an important role only in electromagnetic interaction. Electromagnetic interaction. And this one will also be a weak interaction. Weak interaction. Which means now how do I decide whether it is Z0 or W minus? This is also incorrect. Okay. Z0 or W minus. So you can decide it based on what is this particle. This particle here. Is this particle a neutral particle or is this particle a negatively charged particle? That's what we need to know. Okay. So is this particle a neutral or not? So if it is a neutral particle, it is Z0, and if it is a negatively charged particle, it's a W minus. That's what we need to look at. Okay. So towards it. Now what do we have here? We have, for example, what is the quark composition? What is charge on the S quark? It is minus 1 by 3 times E. This is your composition on the S quark. What is the charge on U quark? U quark charge should be 2E divided by 3. Okay. So therefore, now if this is minus 1 by 3E, then what should be, now how do we write this over here? Now let us say, for example, this S quark gives rise to, there is some particle, I do not know what is that particle. It could be Z0 or W minus. Let me call this as some zeta plus U. Okay, you have not used zeta, let me use this X over here. Okay, for MSc classes we use these kinds of notations. For lower classes we can use just X only. Okay, X over here. Now the charge here should be conserved for this reaction to happen. Minus 1 by 3E should now be equal to X. I do not know what is the charge, plus what is U here? 2E divided by 3, or X should now be equal to minus 1 by 3E minus 2E by 3, which should be equal to minus 3E by 3, which is minus E. Which means what? The charge that is interacting here is an electron, which is a negative charge. When you say it's a negative charge, that means which one will be responsible here? See, which one will be responsible here? This definitely is not responsible. So this should be the right answer. W minus is a correct answer.